Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy Ryanair priority boarding. So do you want to breeze through boarding and bring more luggage on board with Ryanair? I'd like you to know the priority boarding is your ticket to a smoother experience. So in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to get that done. The first thing I'd like you to note is that if you're booking a new flight and want to add priority boarding, these are the steps that you need to take. So navigate to www.ryanair.com. Go ahead and enter your departure. Okay, so I'm heading over to Amazon Prime or Ryanair Prime. All right, so from this page, just go ahead and enter your departure and arrival airport. So this is saying from, okay, let's go ahead and say that from a destination. Okay, let's go to Ireland then, because that's what's available. All right. Picked. Okay, so I have completed my filter and I'm just going to click on search. So once you click on search, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to see available flights. So from the options, just go ahead and choose your preferred flight, which we have here. So Ryanair offers different fare types. You have value, you have plus, you have flexi plus. So this is one flight, cheapest flight to Dublin, and I'm just going to click on view flight, and it's going to take me to the next window. So I'm going to select from Basel to Dublin and from Dublin to Basel. So select this and select this. These are the only flights available anyways. So here are the plans. So you have basic, you have regular. This is basic, that's basic fare without extras. You have regular, which includes priority boarding and 2 cabin bags. You have plus, which adds a 20 kg checked bag and reserved seating. You have flexi plus, which offers flexibility with flight changes and more. So go ahead and choose any of the plans. Select the fare that suits your needs. For priority boarding, just go to regular or higher included. So proceed through the booking process, entering passenger details and payment information, and confirm your booking. I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna click on continue, and that's gonna walk me into the next page. So have you already booked your flight? So once you've already booked your flight, just proceed with all of this. Check your seat, and next flights, make the booking, complete your booking process, make your payment, and confirm your booking. Now once you're done booking your flight, guess how to add priority boarding to your existing booking. Okay, so like I said, once you select regular, the regular plan or a higher plan, it includes priority boarding. All right, so if it's basic, then that does not include priority boarding, but from regular plus flexi plus, it includes priority boarding. So but then if you want to add priority boarding to an existing plan, then just go ahead and click on, once you head over to Ryanair, click on my bookings, and that's going to take you to a window where you have all your bookings. Now find the flight you want to modify and click on manage booking or view itinerary right next to the flight. Then look for the option to add bags or equipment or add services. Then select priority and 2 cabin bags. Review the added service and click continue to payment. Enter your payment details and confirm the addition. You receive an updated email itinerary reflecting the added priority boarding. Now you can add priority boarding up to 2 hours before your flight via the website. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.